Let's talk about the device that keeps you alive. Biomedical engineers on a 9 to 5. A pacemaker, fam, it ain't no ordinary kit. Titanium shell, electrodes, every single bit. Lithium iodide, the battery lasts a decade straight, sending electrical pulses at a regulated rate. Silicone coated leads run right through your veins, sitting in the light fixture for redirecting the main.
Look up, keep the rhythm on lock. Engineers design the beat, now your heart won't stop. Biocompatible made, your body won't reject. Nano-engineered genius, gotta show respect.
Alright bruv, let me break down the proper science. Polyurethane insulation, that's pure reliance. The pulse generator's cracking, no cap, it's dead smart. Hermetically sealed in it, it's grafted to your heart. Biomedical engineers, they're absolutely class. Testing the kit in simulated cardiac mass. Keep modeling, VA, they stress test the shell. ISO 14708 compliance, they do it well.
From the 50s prototype, bulky mains connected, to today's subcutaneous device, fully perfected. Medtronic, Abbott, Boston, Sci, leading the race. MRI-compatible titanium fits right in place. Polyester sutures hold it snug beneath the chest. Algorithms self-adjust, your heart rate does the rest.
Look up, keep the rhythm on lock. Engineers design the beat, now your heart won't stop. Biocompatible made, your body won't reject. Nano-engineered